Hi everyone, how are you? Thank you for tuning into my channel. I have decided to take on a journey that is not easy at all. I've decided to let people know who I am than what I appear to be, who I am, and while least I am not. So I have realized that I'm living a double life. Being a Christian and not being the whole Christian, being the person who is supposed to be. As you can see, my heading is life in marriage, thinking of And then I also write down the verse, Ephesians 5 verse 11. The verse says, have nothing to do with the fruitless deeds of darkness, but rather expose them. So I've come to realize that the life that I live, when people see me out there, they just see a person who they can trust, a person who who is happily married. By the way, I'm married and I've been married for, this is the ninth year. I was married in 2014, right, in 2014. So this is my ninth year. So I would like to take you to the journey of life in marriage, thinking of. So I've been someone who's been doing things, thinking that whatever I am doing, I know, only to realize 9 years later in my marriage, things are not going well. Because of, I thought I know, and I like to do things as if I know, but the actual, I really don't know things. I really don't know the basic things. I don't know the principles of life. So I have come to realize that whatever I do is going down. Whatever I hold, it breaks. Whatever I try to do, I don't do it. Whatever I try to speak, it becomes a lie. Not that it becomes a lie, it is a lie because of living a double life. So I have decided to tell the whole world that there are two things, there are two kingdoms. Two kingdoms, the one is God's kingdom, the one is the devil's kingdom. So what happens is either you save God or you serve the devil. You can never serve both. And when you try to serve both, to God, you are not someone who is faithful to God. You are not with him if you are double. So this is me. This is me living a double life. So my other channels, I'll be with my husband. But today, my husband is not around. He'll be with me throughout all the other channels to help me also to tell the whole world who I am. Because he's the one who's also helping me to realize who I am, because I've been living a lie. I've been living a double life. So I would like to take you to my journey that I've been serving the devil, but in a slave way, in a way that I didn't know that I am serving the devil, because there are those who are working for the devil and they know that they are working for the devil. And there are those who are enslaved by the devil. So let me share with you. With me, the reason being enslaved by the devil is because of ignorance. With me being working for the devil, whilst I don't know that I'm working for the devil, whilst I'm thinking that I'm a servant of God, but I'm actually not a servant of God. This is how I will help. I will tell you through the help of my husband. My husband is been the one who is helping me, so you'll see him on my other channels. But this one, I'll be talking only alone. So I would like to tell you that when I got married, my husband saw a beautiful girl, a beautiful wife, that they can build a home together. But instead, I only realized later, but my husband has been telling me a lot, even telling me not to go alone wherever there is a meeting, wherever I'm supposed to go and talk to other people without him. But I've been disobedient. So I would like to tell you how much I am suffering because of being disobedient against my husband. When God revealed to him what we're supposed to do, how we're supposed to handle our marriage, because of I'm that kind of person who thinks she knows, but in the actual fact, I don't know anything, because life has proven to me that I do not know anything. This is how it has happened. I am in a spiritual warfare that I didn't know that I'm in a spiritual warfare, and I'm a person who has taken things lightly. I'm a person who just live life until now. On my ninth year, I have seen I am losing. I'm losing my life. I'm a person who is losing my life because of the threats from the devil. I hear voices. But I thank God and I praise God for this, because in all of this mess, God is not quiet. So I got married and I'm still married, but I have betrayed my husband a lot of times. I have, my husband has rescued me in a lot of things that the devil was putting me in, and thinking that what I'm doing is okay, what I'm doing is good, but then it was not good. I have a lot to share with you. I'll share with you with all the other channels that I'll do, with all the coming channels that I'll be doing with you guys. So when I got married, the first thing that my husband asked, he asked me if is there anything that I have done previously, even if it's bad, even if how bad it is, I must tell him. And guess what? I didn't tell him. I said, no, what I have done, I told myself that I will never tell anyone what I have done. So I'm an ex-Adventist. I used to go to Seventh-day Adventist church. So when I met with my husband, he introduced me to where he's going and to where he's worshiping. And he's he is a Pentecost. He's worshiping in United Pentecost Church of South Africa, UPC. Okay. So when he said that, the devil used me. Like I said to you, there are those who are working for the devil and they know that they are working for the devil. And there are those who are enslaved by the devil and they don't know that they are enslaved by the devil. And they keep on saying the devil is a liar. Just like me, I would say the devil is a liar. The devil is a bad thing. But while still, I'll be working for him unawares. So I'm the kind of a person who, when I was 22 years old, I had an abortion. So when I did an abortion, I told myself that I'm not going to tell anyone. I will die with it. When you keep a secret, a secret of doing a bad thing, you must know that you are working for the devil. So when I did an abortion, I won't go to details for now, but this is what I have to share with you for now, because it's a long journey, 9 years of how the devil had enslaved me, of how the devil was using me. So for today, I'll just share with you this, and then watch out for some more channels, for some more things that I will reveal unto you. But what I would like to tell you is that keeping quiet about what I did to my husband, and when he was just free to ask me of what I did, so that we don't have things that will disturb us. Because when you keep a secret, when you keep secret, that's when the devil uses those secrets to attack me. And the devil has attacked me to such an extent that now I am tired. Things are falling apart. Poverty knocks in, and more and more and more and more. I'm tired of that. So now it's high time that I expose the enemy. So it's high time now I say it's enough is enough. Whatever the devil is made me to do when in my ignorance, then that's when I'm saying to people, please don't, please, and when you look at me, even now, when you look at me in this video, you will say, no, this person cannot do abortion. But I tell you, this is me. This is me, that I've done abortion when I was 22, 22, if not 23 years old. I'm even forgetting the year, but somewhere around there. Because I'm tired of appearing, of being a good person. Because when I appear of being a good person, the devil in his kingdom is busy stealing my things. So when this has been revealed to me, that when I keep quiet about how the devil is enslaving me, how the devil is benefiting from me, this is what is killing me. Because when the devil benefits from me, I am losing. I am losing everything that is supposed to be mine. So here I am today. Watch out for some more things that I have to say. That when you are enslaved of the devil, you don't even think he controls your soul, and you are unaware that the devil controls your soul. I'll tell you more about myself, so that I do not appear a good person anymore. I appear the way the devil has used me, the way I am. Thank you for watching. Tune in for more videos. I will do more videos. Thank you.